Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Dear students, how are you? I think you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. I am Muhammad Nurujjaman, Assistant Headmaster, GBD Amir Hamza High School, Doera, Muradnagar, Kumila. Dear students, I imagine you have visited my previous classes. Now I will discuss about degree. Do you guess degree? What is degree? Can you guess? Degree means to compare with adjective. Okay? That is called degree. Dear student, degree kinds of three. Number one, positive degree. Number two, comparative degree. Okay, that is comparative degree. Yes, this is positive, comparative, and superlative. How many kinds of degree? Can you say? Degree kinds of three. Thank you. Degree kinds of three. Positive degree. What is positive degree? The degree that denotes not to compare with each other, that is called positive degree. Okay? Positive degree means not to compare with person, animals or things. Comparative degree. Can you guess what is comparative degree? There is still comparative degree means to compare with animal, person or things. Okay? Comparative. Superlative, more than two. To compare more than two animal, person, things, that is called superlative degree. Dear students or learners, if we want to change positive degree, comparative degree or superlative degree, three kinds of degree we can change. Okay? So if you want to change superlative from superlative to positive degree, from superlative to positive degree, we can have as an auxiliary from the beginning of the sentence no other. Okay? No other. No other plus then adjective in the parts. Adjective in the parts. Okay? In parts. But as positive form. Okay? Positive form plus as plus that sentence subject. Okay, dear students, first we can take as auxiliary no other, then adjective in the parts or terminators, then we will take main verb or auxiliary verb. As an auxiliary before positive form as and after positive form as, then use subject. Okay, dear students. Okay, now I am giving an example. Rohim is the best boy in class 9. Okay, dear students, now you follow here subject Rohim, main verb is, adjective the best positive from good. Okay, and adjective parts boy in class 9. Okay, boy in class 9. So here I can change from superlative to positive. First auxiliary no other. No other. In the adjective parts, boy in class 9. So, boy in class 9. Verb. So, verb is. We know before positive group we will use as the auxiliary as. So, I can use as the best positive form good. So, good. After positive form use as. So, as. Here subject Rohim. I can use Rohim. Have you understood, dear students? Now I am again tell you. Please follow and listen carefully or attentively. Here, first or beginning auxiliary there is no or no other. Okay. So here no other. No other. Then boy in class 9. Indefinite parts. Boy in class 9. Okay, dear students. Verb here is. Verb here is. As auxiliary before positive form. So here positive form is good. So before positive form we use as and after use as. And here subject Rohim. Positive sentence subject Rohim. So according to rule, from superlative to positive, beginning no other. So I used no other. Adjective in the parts. Here adjective in the parts. Boy in class 9. So boy in class 9. Okay. Boy in class 9. Then verb. That sentence, superlative sentence verb is. So positive sentence verb is. Superlative degree adjective, the best, positive, good. So positive form good. Before positive form as the auxiliary here as, here as. So before positive form use as. After positive form use as. Okay, dear students. Now I am giving another example. Dear students, I am giving another example. Rina is the tallest girl, okay, in class 10. So dear students, subject here Rina, okay, but is, here but is, adjective the tallest, tallest positive from tall, tallest positive from tall, and in the part girl in class 10. Okay, girl in class 10. Subject Rina. Subject Rina. So according to rule, we can use beginning no other. No other. Okay. So in the parts after adjective, girl in class 10. Dear students, now follow verb here is. So I use is. As auxiliary as. The tallest positive form tall. Okay. Then auxiliary as. Here subject Rina. So I can use Rina. Dear students, now you have to follow, dear students, beginning no other, so no other, then we can use end of adjective girl in class 10. So here girl in class 10. Dear students, here basic verb is I use basic verb is, and from superlative to positive as auxiliary before positive form or after positive form we'll use as. So here as and positive form to, then use as and subject Rina, subject Rina. Okay dear students. Now dear students, if we want to change from superlative to comparative, how we will can change easily? Dear students, now follow. You can change from superlative to comparative degree. Subject there is no change. Verb there is no change. Only change the tallest. The tallest comparative form taller. Okay? An article the will be omitted. Article the will be omitted. Okay? So this part or that part no change. Okay? This part or that part or before adjective and after adjective there is no change, and here only change the superlative form will be comparative form. Okay, the superlative form will be comparative form. Dear student, subject, can you guess what is subject? Rina. Yes, thank you, Rina. So Rina. Main verb, yes, is. So I can use is. And taller, tallest, taller, tallest, taller. So Rina is taller. As an auxiliary, we can use than any other. Than any other. And after superlative form, that part's no change. So girl in class 10. Dear students, now you have to follow, and you can, I think you can understand easily. Rina subject, so Rina subject. Okay, main verb is, here main verb is. Superlative form the tallest, comparative form taller. Okay, tallest, taller. As an auxiliary we can use than any other. So I have used here than any other. Okay, and first part before adjective there is no change. So first part Rina is, and end of adjective girl in class 10, no change. So Rina is the tallest, the article will be omitted, taller, comparative form. Okay, after comparative form we can use as an auxiliary than any other. Okay, than any other. If any sentence is or have or contains one of the, that sentence will use as an auxiliary than most other. Than most other. Dear students, have you understood this sentence? Any problem? Rina, here verb is, will use is, the tallest, comparative form taller, auxiliary than any other, and after superlative form parts there is no change. So girl in class 10, in class 10. Okay dear students, now another example. Dear students, you have to follow. I mean, I think you can understand easily, inshallah. Dear students, Rahim is one of the tallest boy in class 9. Okay, dear students, you have to follow here one of the then tallest superlative form. If any superlative sentences have one of that sentence, if you want to change comparative as a auxiliary, then most other, not then any other, not than any other. Instead of than any other, we use then most other. So Rohim bar is, so here bar is, one of the will be omitted. Okay, so tallest positive comparative form taller, positive from tall, so taller as auxiliary, then most other. After superlative form parts, there is no change. So boy in class 9. Dear students, I am telling again, please listen you. Subject here Rohim, subject Rohim, verb is, here verb is, one of the will be omitted, so here omitted, and superlative from tallest, comparative from taller, as the auxiliary, then most other. Okay, and after superlative from that parts will not be changed. So boy in class 9, no change. Rohim is no change. Okay, first part and last part. Before superlative from first part or last part, there is no change. Only change tallest, comparative form will be taller. As auxiliary, we will use than most other. Okay, dear students, any problem? Thank you. Okay, have you understood? Alhamdulillah. So now I am telling again, please listen here. Positive, comparative or superlative degree we have guessed. So now I am changing from superlative to comparative degree, and one of the, okay, one of the, if any superlative sentences have one of that sentence will be comparative as auxiliary, then most other. So subject and main verb no change. So subject Rohim, here subject Rohim, main verb is no change, and after superlative from that part no change. So boy in class 9, here will be boy in class 9. Okay, dear students, any problem? Now I am giving another example. Please listen here. Dear students, Dhaka is the biggest city in Bangladesh. Okay, Dhaka is the biggest city in Bangladesh. Can you guess which sentence is positive or comparative? Positive, comparative, superlative, which sentence? Yes, superlative. How can we understand that this sentence is superlative? Superlative from, yes, and before article superlative from we will use definite article the. So here used article the, and big positive from big, bigger, biggest. Okay. So bigger comparative from biggest, superlative from big, positive from. Here we can see the biggest, so that this is superlative. We can use first positive sentence. So positive sentence, no other. Okay. So after superlative from, that part no change. Okay, and will come first. So city in Bangladesh. So I can write city in Bangladesh. But is, so here but is, so no other city in Bangladesh is biggest. The biggest positive from big. The biggest positive from big. So before big we'll use as, big as Dhaka. Okay, dear students. Can you remember now? First auxiliary, no other. Then superlative from parts, city in Bangladesh will come here, city in Bangladesh. Main verb is. Before positive from will use as, and after positive will use as. So as, big as, here subject Dhaka, subject here is Dhaka. So this is positive degree. This is positive. Okay? Positive. Now comparative. Can you guess? Comparative, to compare with animal, person or things. Okay? So Dhaka, I can write Dhaka. Main verb is, I use main verb is. The biggest comparative from, dear students, look at the whiteboard, bigger. So I can write bigger as auxiliary than any other. Than any other. So here I have written than any other. City in Bangladesh, so city in Bangladesh. Dear students, if you feel any problem, you will write comment my Facebook. I shall try to solve your problem inshallah. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks sir.